Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you are new, I am Chi, and if you are seeing my face for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Please click on the subscribing button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm here to give you honest review on this shower gel. This is natural shower gel. If this video is what you are interested in watching, then you need to keep watching. Welcome back guys. So today I'm going to be, just like I said in my intro, I'm going to be reviewing this shower gel. It's called Natural Clinical Vitamin C Body Wash. God, I'm too obsessed with all these products, natural products. Like, I've made a review of the lotion. I've used like many of this lotion. Look at empty containers. Look at, can you imagine, can you see that? These are empty containers of natural lotion. So like, this lotion is so nice. In fact, the natural products as a whole, they are nice. So I decided to go get the shower gel, and I've been using the shower gel for quite some time now. So here is my honest review. So Natural Well is a very good Natural Well body wash. Is very good. Let's begin with telling you how the natural. I'm almost done with the shower gel, guys. Let's begin with telling you how the consistency of the shower gel is. Look at how it comes. It's very like. Can you see that? It's thick and whitish, and it has an amazing smell. It smells so nice. It has a very good fragrance. So let's see what they wrote on the bottom of the bag. It says Natural Well Clinical Vitamin C Body Wash, Gentle Cleanser. Like, this is a body wash, and it also acts as a cleanser. Can you imagine? This is 2 bonus, and it brightens the skin. It restores moisture. Like, if you have a dry skin and you'll be like, maybe this shower gel will be drying out my skin, my dear, no. This shower gel is a moisture shower gel. It's a moisturizing shower gel. It does not leave your skin dry out. This is my own honest review. It does not dry out my skin, though I'm using it with the lotion, which, you know, the lotion is also a moisturizing body lotion. But even if you're not using it with the lotion, the shower gel does not dry the skin. So let's see what the manufacturer wrote on the pack, on the container. Natural Well Vitamin C Body Wash is a daily vitamin gel for skin that gently cleanses and moisturizes while awakening the senses. The vitamin-rich, energizing cleanser washes away pollution and impurities while brightening and nourishing the skin, leaving it soft and with more youthful glow. Like, seriously guys, are you listening to what I'm reading out right now? All these things I read right now, they are all what this natural shower gel does to the skin. It deeply cleanses your skin. It also moisturizes your skin, and it brightens your skin without leaving your skin bleached. Yeah, that's it. So let's talk about the direction, how you can use Natural Vitamin C shower gel. Apply to a proof, like your sponge or your whatever, or your hand glove or something. Wash clothes or hands and walk into a gentle lather. Like, I didn't even say about I didn't even say anything about the, like, when you are using the shower gel. This shower gel, it foams so well. Like, if you apply little on your soap, on your sponge or whatever, or your exfoliating glove, it foams so well. Like, one touch, you can shower on your body. You understand? So, and this makes this shower gel last so long. It lasts like, this one I got it for 3 months. Like, it's been here since. It's just that I started using it. Not quite long ago, and you know I'm not the only one using it, so that's why it looks empty. So, cleanse entire body, rinse well. That's all. So, caution: for external use only, keep out of reach of children, avoid contact with eyes. Like, don't ever allow this shower gel touch your eyes. It's so painful when it touches your eyes. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Do not apply to broken, irritated, or itching skin. Use only as directed. So let's talk about the ingredients. You know, normally, if I'm making a review of my channel, I'm so I used to be tired of listing for you all the ingredients of the lotion. I will just tell you that I will be leaving the ingredients on the description box, but this one does not have plenty ingredients. So let's read it out. It is made with water, aqua in bracket, sodium C14-16, olefin, sulfonate, sodium chloride, cocamide dopropyl, betaine, fragrance, perfume. Like, this is, I think this is perfume, but it's written perfume in brackets. Ascorbic acid, Cocos nucifera. It has coconut in brackets. It has fruit extract. It has glycerin. It has citric acid. It has sodium hydroxide. It has phenoxyethanol. That's the last ingredients. And this is made in USA. This natural oil is made in USA. That is all about the natural oil vitamin C. So my conclusion on this review is that natural oil vitamin C shower gel is amazing if you have the money. But I wanted to reorder the lotion, and I checked on Jumia. God, this lotion is so expensive. Even the shower gel is expensive. But if you have the money, you can get the range and use it together and see how flawless your skin will look. It does not bleach the skin. It gently brightens the skin. It brings out your complexion. So that's all about the natural shower gel. So if you have anything you want to know about the shower gel, so kindly just leave it on the comment section. I'm going to be replying all your questions. So thank you all for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up.